In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to set up and use templates in Obsidian so you can speed up note-taking and keep your notes consistent. We'll start by creating a dedicated folder for your templates, then enable and configure the built-in templates plugin. After that, you'll design your first template note, add dynamic placeholders for dates, times, and titles, and finally insert the template into a new note. Follow along step by step, and by the end, you'll have a working system you can reuse every day. Begin inside your vault by creating a folder that will hold all your template states. In the File Explorer on the left sidebar, right-click and choose New Folder. Name it Templates or something equally clear. You can place it at the top level of your vault for easy access. Keeping the name simple helps when you select it later in settings, and putting all templates in one place avoids hunting around for them when you're in the flow. If your vault already has organizational folders, placing templates near the top can make it easier to find. Next, turn on the core plugin that makes templates work. Click the Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner of Obsidian. In the sidebar of the Settings window, open the core plugin section. Scroll until you find Templates, then toggle it on. If you see it already enabled, you're set. This is Obsidian's built-in feature for inserting pre-written content. You don't need to install anything else for the basics we'll cover here, and keeping to core features keeps things simple and stable. While you're still in Settings, configure the plugin so it knows where to look for your template files. In the left menu, scroll to the bottom under Plugin Options and click Templates. In the Template Folder Location field, select the folder you just created. If you click into the box, you can either browse to the folder or type its exact name. Double-check the spelling so Obsidian points to the right place. If it can't find the folder, your templates won't appear later. There's also a date format box here. If you like clean, sortable dates, type YYYMMDD. That format creates dates like 2026-05-26, which sort nicely and are easy to read across regions. Setting the format now ensures that whenever you use a date placeholder in your template, it will follow this standard automatically. Once that's done, you can close the Settings window. Now you'll create your first template note. In the Templates folder, make a new note and give it a descriptive name, such as Meeting Template or Daily Note Template. The name you choose is what you'll see when you go to insert the template later, so make it obvious. Inside the note, design the layout exactly the way you want it to appear when you insert it into other notes. For a meeting template, you might include a title line, a section for the date and time, a space for attendees, an agenda area, and a place for action items and follow-ups. For a daily note template, you might include a header with the date, a short checklist, a notes section, and priorities for the day. Use headings to create clear structure and leave blank lines where you want to type later. You can include markdown elements such as checkboxes, dividers, or tables if they fit your workflow. Think of this as a blueprint you'll reuse often, so keep it clean and consistent. Anything you type here will be inserted exactly as written, so avoid including text you wouldn't want to see every time. To make your templates smarter, add dynamic placeholders that Obsidian fills in for you. In your template note, type these placeholders exactly as shown. Double curly braces, the word, and double curly braces again. Use /date wherever you want the current date to appear. /time for the current time, and title for the name of the note you'll be inserting into. These placeholders won't change inside the template file itself, but when you insert the template into a new note, Obsidian replaces them automatically with live values. For example, you might have a title line that reads /title, and beneath it, a line that says date /date at /time. This saves you from typing the same information repeatedly and keeps your notes consistent. With your template ready, you can use it in a new note. Create a fresh note anywhere in your vault. Click inside the note to place your cursor where you want the template content to appear. On the left ribbon, click the Insert Template icon. It looks like a small rectangle with a smaller card sliding into it. If you prefer using the keyboard, open the Command palette with Ctrl+P on Windows or CMD+P on Mac, then type Templates. Insert Template. A list of your templates will appear. Choose the one you just created, and it will instantly populate the note with your layout. You should see your headings, sections, and any placeholders replaced with the current date, time, and the note's title. If something doesn't appear, confirm the Core Templates plugin is enabled and that the correct templates folder is selected in Settings. Also check that your placeholders use the exact double brace format. Even a small typo will stop them from working. That's all there is to it. You now have a dedicated templates folder, the Core plugin turned on and configured, a well-structured template note with dynamic placeholders, and a smooth way to insert that template into any new note. As you work, refine your template's wording and structure so it matches how you actually take notes. Small adjustments now will save you a lot of time later, and keeping your templates in one place makes updates quick and predictable. Enjoy the efficiency boost and the clean, repeatable structure in your Obsidian notes.